When it comes to Boxcutter 719_16, only one major feature was added. However, we spent a lot of time dealing with the small stuff. As always, bug fixes take up a large amount of time. It's very important for everything to work properly. So I see in the extended notes that there was definitely quite a bit of breakdown when it came to this release and just making it work in general. This was also the part where 4.0 was about to come out, and also Macs began giving us quite a bit of business. Every now and then, Apple computers will just demonstrate to us that they are very unique by showing that they are using different drivers, different architecture, different paths, or whatever. They just demonstrate that they are different to every other version, and they just give us business in their own individual way. And so that also continues with some of these versions going forward. I'm just seeing that in the extended notes. Just thought I'd mention it as a fun fact, that in case you're caring about it more intimately than I'm presenting it, that yes, Macs were giving us quite a bit of business at this time, just like they were giving us a bit of business just last week. There's always a point in which we are finding ourselves discussing Apple computers and why they're giving us such a hard time with creating bevels.